So today our three sisters will make a Tibetan beef dumpling, and I know everyone had so many different types of dumpling, but it's totally different. They make the most delicious dumpling, and I always love their dumpling, and also, which also my wife is included. She makes it too. So here is a Tenzin Daikong, and she will introduce all the ingredients, what needs to mix.
Yep.
And
Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how to make dumplings, also known as it's called momo too. So this is like a family size of ground beef, so you can feed like 10 or 15 people. For the ingredients, definitely you need a salt. So this is the salt, and scallion, and this is the 1 cup of cilantro, and 1 cup of celery, and 1 cup of chive. So chive is optional, so if you don't like chives, you don't have to put it in, but we love chives, so that's why we put. And this is like 1.5 cup of chopped onions, and water for the juice. And then I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil with the garlic, and then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now I'm gonna show you how to mix. So I'm gonna wash my hand first.
So what size is that beef? Like family size? How many
Yeah,
pounds?
it's a family size of maybe.
Is it about 3 pounds?
I think so. Yeah, it's probably around the 3 pound. Yeah, so 3 and like 36 pounds. So.
Oh.
And so first thing, you need to add salt. You can do a 4, maybe 3 tablespoons of salt. And once you mix, and you can taste it, if you need more added salt, you can add it. And then I'm gonna add a scallion. And then cilantro. And celery, and chives, and onions, and then you need to add soy sauce, and here's the olive oil and the garlic. And the water.
Wow, I can already smell the delicious.
And now we start mixing it.
I'm already hungry.
You're hungry?
I am already
too.
hungry. Oh my god.
I didn't eat lunch, so I'm hungry.
Yeah.
And then later on, we'll show you how to make dumplings for the dough. So right now, I'm gonna mix the meat.
How long do you have to leave it after you mix it, or you can just start it to make
You can
it?
start it right away, or you can leave it for 15 minutes. If you're not in a hurry, you can leave it for 15 minutes. If you're in a rush, you have to make it right away, you can do that. That's no problem. It's better to make the dough first, so and then do the meat next. So that way, while you're mixing the meat, so the dough will rise a little bit. So so dough is pretty much, it's like a pizza dough, that you can do that. In the dough, you put flour, and white flour or either wheat flour, and then 2 eggs. So
2 eggs for a size of this much family size meat.
Yeah, in a dough.
In the dough, you add 2 eggs.
Yeah.
What is the reason for the eggs?
So the dough doesn't get colored.
So it doesn't break.
Yeah.
It stays.
So it stays closed. It doesn't open. So if you put egg in there,
so keep the juice inside.
yes, it keep the juice inside.
Oh yeah.
And then we'll show you how to make the the design for the dumplings. So.
Okay.
So this is the meat. Now it's all mixed. As you can see, it looks delicious.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, very delicious. Oh my god.
So and then salt, you can always taste it, and if you need add more salt, you can add it. But I'm gonna
depending on the people. Some people like more salt,
some people
right?
like more salt, some people don't like.
That's a good idea. It's a good one.
It's perfect.
Okay. Oh my god. Yeah. All right.
Delicious.
It's funny, like we do have the machine for the dough, but we ended up always making it by, mixing it by hand. I guess it's more preferred. Machine is like a downstairs in the basement. We only use that for the sausage now. Yuma. I mean, a Tibetan yuma or Italian sausage or anything, but we use that because it just takes more space and everything when you put it up here. So that's why a lot of the little doughs we just do it by hand, and also it gives us more exercise. Somebody looks like hungry over there. Huh? Somebody wants to hungry. I know, his wife, huh?
Wife wants me over there. It looks like the dough's ready.
Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread some oil. Then I will set it in this plastic bag, because these days it's very difficult to get this plastic bag.
Right, plastic bag.
Oh my god, I was confused the other day, like I didn't bring my bag, and then they didn't offer the plastic bag. And I said, oh, they changed the law, so which is good. But we have to remember to bring our own shopping bag, grocery bags.
Right.
So I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna start cooking.
All right.
For the dough consistent, not too sticky and not too hard, so it's like a farm dough when you touch it, like as you can see. For dough mix, I did put 2 eggs in a flour, so I know some people has egg allergy. You don't have to put it in. For the reason for the egg is so the dough doesn't open, so it stays closed, and then you can the juice that stays in the dough. So when you eat it, it's really good. So, but you don't have to put egg if you have. Some people have egg allergy, so it's optional. So now I'm gonna show you the size of the dough for the momo. So this probably like I don't know 1 kalota. Like this is the size of the momo.
Yeah.
So and you need a roller. So and you dip in the flour and you roll it. And for the momo, put 1 tablespoon of meat in the dough. And for the design, there's like 3 or 4 types of design for the momo. So I'll show you the easy way. This is the one easy way to make a dumpling. So you put meat in there and then pinch it and close all the dough, and then you pinch it in the middle and like this. So this is the one design. And the second one I'll show you. So and this is the most common the momo design. You pinch it and then fold it in half, then pinch, then make a space, and then fold, space, fold, space, and fold. And then make sure you pinch it, make sure close tight so it doesn't open. So this is the another one.
But they look the same.
they're different. This one has a design on it.
Oh, okay.
So and then other one, you can make either of design. And the other one is a round one. The round one's a little difficult, but I'll show you. So you pinch it and then fold in half, and once you're doing it, you have to roll it and use your thumb finger to push the meat inside like this. So this is the other one, and the last one.
Beautiful.
And this is the other one. So it's like kind of like similar for the round one, but the design is a little different. But the way how to make it is pretty much same. So you pinch, go to other side, pinch this side. So you go on each side. So and once you're going up, go up, and then you pinch it. So this is the dumpling we normally make for the soup dumplings, so noodle. And then these three is the steamed dumpling that we make. So if you're making a beef or chicken or vegetable, you can make those three designs so that you will know which design is the for the ingredients. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully I hope you guys will like my channel, and I hope you guys can learn. Please subscribe and share and like our video, and I hope you guys will make someday. And if you guys will making it, please share the videos. I would love to see that. So thank you. I mean, the more layers, it's if you have more people.
Yeah.
It's usually restaurant, so if you.
But for a family, it's good.
Yeah.
All right.
If you have a big family, like 30 people.
Yeah. So this one's
Now
made
it
by
looks like
Pound
almost
Quality
done.
Steamer.
So here's the normal. So you can. Usually you leave it like 15 to 20 minutes.
What are you making over here?
I'm making tomato chutney.
Chutney.
So we need fresh tomato and fresh garden cilantro and garden green chili. And we need salt for taste and a little bit of soy sauce. 하나 살았어요, 됩니다.
예. dire.
This chutney this.
이 잠도 시도 못 떠고 생각합니다.
So Jeju makes a best tomato chutney. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, very spicy one.
Very spicy, okay, Jeju?
Okay.
Hey, sugar, not salt.
Take that out. Take that sugar. Take that picture. No. See? She didn't see this
I
sugar.
thought she picked up.
I caught her.
You can add more chili.
And it's this.
Somebody doesn't know how to read.
She mixed it in the spice and then tomato sauce and this.
It's okay. Sometimes the chutney is a little bit sweet, so if you like sweet,
I guess-
sweet, you can put chutney there. It's okay. But good thing that I caught her.
Oh my god, now that's gonna be really spicy. Oh, Momo is
So I was telling you earlier like how it's gonna be the juicy and tasty. This is how it is. I think this is the killing machine, killer momo.
Oh, so good. Oh my God.
I think this is what we want, like juicy inside. So you
gotta have
all
some
the meat perfectly cooked. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Chutney is also delicious.
Momo A1. Chutney A1.
Oh, chutney is like, oh my god, this is like delicious. But I don't know, some people it might be too hot. But for us, it's good. We want the hot stuff. I want the hot stuff, maybe tonight. Yeah.
I don't want it.
So,
Oh wow, well. Oh my god. For us,
Cameraman died with
Chicken is
us.
good. Momo is good. Oh my god, everything is very good.
Yeah,
Oh.
marchuda da zoro da. There you are. You guys have seen it. So you wanna learn how to make momo? You gotta watch this whole video
Okay, they know.
so
Last sugar.
so you can enjoy this
You guys say something.
delicious dumpling. Okay. Well, thanks to all the chefs, all the helpers, and our guests. All right.
And thank you everyone for watching our video, and I want to thank you all the subscribers and view, and definitely next time we're gonna make an interesting video. So right now, please like and share and subscribe for our channel, please. And if you like our video, thank you. And so it's our nighttime, so have a good night.
Please comment if you have any other ideas or anything, and please do like. Thank you and good night.